A commanding Monday night for LC Bird basketball. Both the girls and boys basketball teams recorded commanding victories over Meadowbrooks. There's Nia Jenkins with an early layup for Meadowbrook. And that's a basket by Angela Carballo, LC Bird's leading scorer with 25 points. There's Madison Baum. And a steal for Carballo, and up the court she goes. Here in the second half, she strikes again. There's a layup for Brina Bentley. LC Bird outscores Meadowbrook 37-19 in the second half and claims a 58-38 victory on the road for the first of a doubleheader. So now we move on to the boys' game. The Skyhawks were on fire in the first quarter, outscoring Meadowbrook 20-4. That's a three-point basket for Jaquez Meadows. And that's an easy layup. Although the Monarchs managed to run in the first half, LC Bird never gave up the lead. There's a steal by James Williams. And the second chance basket by Giovanni Perkins. Charles Falden, who scored 17 points for the Skyhawks. There he is with another one. Giles Webster around 3 defenders. Bird wins this one 77-49 and will undoubtedly be a team to watch out for in the postseason.